Well, greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. This video could be an emergency video for the people who are in long Bitcoin. So this move right now you can see on the Bitcoin, but this video is about Cardano. However, we are going to start with Bitcoin first. So you see this move. Before this move even happened, I was updating this in my Telegram community. You can see that this is the this is just a message at few 30 or 40 minutes ago that I did in my Telegram community, and I had broken the trend line. Perfect shot, as explained in the previous videos. So I gave this analysis in the previous video, and I talked about that if you break below this trend line and you get a good retest on it, that means you can go for a good short trade. And right now in front of me you can see a amazing short entry that is happening right now. I mean, so what should we expect? Where could it go? I have uploaded a video right now a few minutes ago about Luna, including BTC. However, we're going to talk about Bitcoin once again. So you see this level, green level. This is a previous order block from where the price pumped 2 times, and I'm expecting it to pump, not to pump, I mean this time, because the more you test a support, the more it has a chances of breaking down. And there's the one reason for that, and the second reason that I have is that this range, I see, you see the Bitcoin is trading within these 2 ranges. And what's with this range, it is that this, you can see this is the break of structure that happened here, and this is the range. If you break above this, you will change the character of the market. Even though some people would consider this to be a change of character according to this one, but I do not consider this one a significant, let's say, significant lower high. However, you can consider this if you want. I mean, you can consider it one of the structures as well. Anyways, so this is our uniformed order block. We must be looking for that, and I believe that this could be broken down easily. However, this is not a financial advice. I want you to use your brain and use your analysis. And by the way, if you want to learn analysis and you have no idea where to begin, I have a complete course. The link is in the description. You can watch out the complete course. Okay, so let's jump to the Cardano. So right there for ADA, you can see that ADA is also creating another pattern, I would say, another head and shoulder pattern right there. And this is the neckline 0.28. if you get this neckline, I mean, let me create a trend line first. You see all these predicted moves. I have been creating videos about them, and I update my community. If you want to join the community, the link is in the description. So let me just create this one. We'll use this red wick. I mean, let's try to do this. The more touch points we have on a trend line, the more we have a validation of a trend line. So I think this would be the valid pattern of this trend line. And you can see that we have broken that too successfully. Even if you don't want to consider this one, you can consider these 3 touch points. And no matter what you change them, the trend line is still broken. So you can expect a retest back, and this is of course significant resistance level. And you're breaking down, I mean, you can get back to these areas. First would be 0.46, and second you can get to these areas here. So that's 1 hour time frame. It's a shorter time frame. And if we jump to the bigger time frame, you will see a different story. On a bigger time frame, you are creating this rising wedge as well, and I mean, if you talk about the structure, you see this was your previous highs and you had this liquidity grab once already there as well. This is the same second time you're having the same move on this point. So what happened after this liquidity grab? You came to this point. So I mean, I can expect coming back to this point. However, if you trade this 4-hourly trend line, I mean, you've still got time. You have still got 1 hour and 52 minutes to go back and close above this trend line. But there's one more thing you need to look at, which tells you this was a perfect short entry. You see this first shoulder, a head, and then this shooting star candle, or inverse, we can say doji. This printed right there, indicating a seller momentum. That means the structure is complete as well, and this is a perfect entry for a good short trading. So those who took and watched my previous video or did my course, that is free of cost right now, it's a $100 course. You can check for it, link in the description. And if you did the course, I mean, these things would be on your fingertips. You don't have to be super vigilant about that. You can practice the course and do in the community, and you'll automatically get better on things. So I'm gonna check the RSI as well. Okay, so on the RSI, what do we see? The price is rising, and the RSI, okay, nothing on the RSI. I mean, it's just simple RSI. RSI seems to be in strength. I mean, if you see it again, you can see some strength in it. Well, some strength in there, right there. So right now it's falling below that level, but this is a good zone. It's a positive zone until unless Bitcoin gets good or does the bottom out. I mean, you can watch out for this. So I think that will be it for Cardano. I expect it coming more lower as well as Bitcoin. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, like the content, please make sure you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.